the
Frolicking frog snack.
And we're gonna need 2 slices of apple, some grapes, some mini marshmallows, and some chocolate chips, and some cream cheese or peanut butter. So we stuck the chocolate chips with cream cheese on the marshmallow, and we have that there because they're a little harder to make. And we're gonna put some cream cheese on the apple so that it can stick to the other one without sliding. And we're gonna make it kind of like open mouthed, I guess. And from there, we're gonna make the eyes, and we're gonna stick them on. Stick the eyes on right there. Open wide, Froggy. And then we're gonna have to fix it then. Cut some little tiny triangles on the grapes, and they'll look like the frog's feet. And we're gonna stick these on here. These are gonna go in the sides to be the little froggy's arms. Then we're gonna put these as sleeves for the frog. Ellie. Stick this one right there. And then your froggy is done.